Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you to my returning subscribers for your support, and to my new audience, thank you for stopping by. In this channel we upload videos on sewing tutorials, pattern drafting, sewing tips, sewing hacks and sewing techniques, and we upload styles as well. So in today's tutorial we want to learn how to cut a flounce. So what you need is your pattern paper or your fabric if you are cutting directly on your fabric, your measuring tape, your pencil or your pen, then your scissors. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the video. So my pattern paper, this is the pattern paper I'm using. So I want to get the center of my paper, so I'll fold it into two, then I'll fold it into four to have my center, which will represent my radius. So I will draw a straight line following the crease line on my paper. Let me get my marker to make it more visible. So I'm going to trace the line using my marker. So the next thing is to get a circle here. So from the center here, I will mark 2 inches on each line, then I will join to form a circle. I believe you can see what I'm doing. I'm marking 2 inches on all this line, which will serve as my radius. So I'll join those points to form a circle. Can you see it? So I would like to use my marker to trace it so that it will be visible. Okay, so now I will determine the width of my flounce, how wide I want it to be. So I need 3 inches. So I will mark my 3 inches starting from this line, not the center, starting from this line. So I measure my 3 inches all around, 3 inches. So I will connect that point again the same way I trace the small circle. Then from here I will just connect here to here, and that will be the starting of my spiral. You can decide anywhere within this quadrant, you can just connect it. Can you see? So I will continue my 3 inches. So I will connect this one as well. So I will use my marker for it to be more visible. So I will mark, continue with my 3 inches. Then here, marking 3 inches from here, not this circle, marking the 3 inches from here. So I'll continue my 3 inches. I decided to turn my paper instead of going around so that I can stand in one place rather on the paper. So I will connect this point first before we continue. So let me trace with my marker. So you can continue to mark your 3 inches round depending on how you want the flounce to be, depending on where you want to attach it. And you can as well decide to increase as you're marking, you're increasing the size of the flounce depending on the design that you want to make. You can decide as you're marking, you can decide to mark here maybe 4 inches or 5 inches, then you connect it to the 5 inches depending on what you want. So I will just mark mine to somewhere here, then I will cut the flounce. So that is basically how to make a spiral flounce. So I will cut it now so that you see. So come in here. Can you see? So now I will cut this out. Can you see it? So this is your spiral flounce, depending on where you want to attach, whether it's for the sleeve or for the skirt or for your gown, anywhere you want to attach. That is just the tricks on how to cut it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Remember to share our tutorial so that others can learn. See you on our next video. Bye bye.